Welcome to the baking room. I'm Patricia Gabrielle Bayhonan and I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. This cookie recipe is beginner friendly, so you don't need any experience in baking to make them. So let's start to make chocolate chip cookies step by step. I already prepared measured ingredients. The first step in making these easy chocolate chip cookies is to combine the dried ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. Get 3 cups of all-purpose flour and start adding 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon baking soda. Mix all the dried ingredients together, then set aside. Cream together butter and sugars. Make sure to soften the butter early by taking it out of the fridge at least 2 hours before baking so it is ready to go when you need it. You can also warm it in the microwave for about 7 seconds, but be very careful not to melt it. Gradually add 2 cups pack of washed brown sugar. Once the butter and sugar mixture is beaten well, add the eggs and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Then add the dry ingredients gradually and stir until just evenly combined. I use the cut and fold mixing method to not overmix it. You may start adding 2 cups of Hershey's chocolate morsels. You may add more if you want. Then beat until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. The chocolate chip cookie dough should be easy to roll and not sticky. It should not be dry or crumbly. You may start to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your baking trays with parchment paper. Once the cookie dough is finished, it's time to portion. Use a cooking scoop to ensure that all the cookies are uniform in size so that they bake evenly. You may also add Hershey's chocolate morsels on top. After placing it in your oven, set your alarm for 10 to 15 minutes. When it's done, cool the chocolate chip cookies on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there we are done baking the cookies. You may have it store these chocolate chip cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days or in the fridge for up to 2 months. Thank you everyone. I hope you learned a lot from my baking techniques.